Subject-verb agreement. Guess the correct sentences. The dog, along with its puppies, is barking loudly. The dog is the singular subject. Along with its puppies is a modifying phrase and doesn't affect the verb. Neither of the options is appealing. Neither is a singular pronoun. Every one of the students has completed the assignment. Everyone is a singular phrase. The news is alarming. News is an uncountable noun and is singular. Politics is a complicated subject. Politics is generally considered singular when referring to the subject. Mathematics is my favorite subject. Mathematics is a singular subject. The team is ready for the game. Team is usually treated as a singular unit. The team are ready for the game could be acceptable in British English if focusing on the individual members, but is more common for the team as a whole. My spectacles are broken. Spectacles like pans, scissors is a plural noun. A large number of students were absent. A number of is a plural expression. The committee has decided to adjourn the meeting. Committee is usually treated as a singular unit. There are many reasons for this. The true subject is reasons, which is plural. One of the main problems is lack of funding. The subject is one, which is singular. Each of the boys plays soccer. Each is a singular pronoun. Neither John nor Mary is going to the party. When neither nor connects two singular subjects, the verb is singular. Either you or I am responsible. When either or connects subjects, the verb agrees with the subject closest to it. The list of items was long. The subject is list, which is singular. $10 is too much for this. When a sum of money represents a single unit, it takes a singular verb. Five miles is a long distance. When a unit of measurement represents a single quantity, it takes a singular verb. The majority of voters prefer the incumbent. Majority can take a plural verb when referring to individual members, especially with a plural noun following of. Nobody knows the answer. Nobody is a singular pronoun. Some of the water was contaminated. Water is uncountable and takes a singular verb. All of the students have arrived. All agrees with the noun it refers to, students, which is plural. A series of events has led to this. The subject is series, which is singular. The only thing that matters is your health. The subject is thing, which is singular. Measles is a serious disease. Measles, like mumps, physics, is a singular noun. Where are my keys? The subject is keys, which is plural. The children, as well as their mother, are coming. The children is the plural subject, as well as their mother is a modifying phrase. Living in the city causes a lot of stress. The gerund phrase living in the city acts as a singular subject. The number of complaints has increased. The number of is a singular expression. His primary concern, besides his family, is his job. The subject is concern, which is singular. Thank you for watching.